In this video, we're going to learn how to get data from a website using Python. We'll visit a simple quote website, grab some text and author names, and then combine them in a clean format. Let's get started. Before we can scrape anything, we need two Python libraries, requests and BeautifulSoup 4. If you haven't installed them yet, you can do it by running this command. This will install everything we need to send web requests and parse HTML content. Now let's import the tools into our script. You'll see two lines on the screen, one for requests and one for BeautifulSoup. These are the libraries that help us talk to a website and understand its structure. Next, we set the URL to the website we want to scrape. As you can see on the screen, this is a simple page filled with quotes and author names, perfect for beginners. Then we make a request to that URL using requests.get, and we pass the response to BeautifulSoup to parse the HTML. Now let's print the parsed HTML with soup.prettify, but just the first 500 characters so it doesn't flood our terminal. When we run this, you'll see the raw HTML from the page. Don't worry if it looks messy, we're only interested in specific parts like the quotes and the authors. Let's move on to our next example. We're now looking for all the quotes on the page, so we use soup.findAll to search for all the span tags with the class text. Then we loop through each result and print the quote text. Once we run it, you'll see all the quotes appear nicely in the output. Okay, let's move on again. Now we want to collect all the author names. We do the same thing, but this time we search for small tags with the class author. When we run it, we get the list of authors, each one next to the quote they wrote. Now for our final and most complete example. Let's grab the full quote blocks. This means both the quote and the author together. We search for all the div tags with the class quote, then loop through each block, extract the quote text, extract the author name, and print them together. When we run this, it looks really clean. Each quote appears along with the person who said it, just like a little quote book. And that's it for this example. We just scraped data from a live website using Python. Pretty cool, right? Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.